diving into the stock market can be a game changer for your financial health. Investing a steady $1,000 each month isn't just a number. It's a strategic move with long-term payoffs. Let's explore 5 reasons why this approach is a wise investment decision. Firstly, compound interest is an investor's best friend. It's the phenomenon where your investment's earnings start earning their own returns. Picture this. With a consistent $1,000 monthly investment at an average annual return of 7%, you could see your savings balloon to over $500,000 in 20 years. The magic of compounding grows stronger the longer you invest, making early starts incredibly beneficial. Next up is dollar cost averaging, a tactic that smooths out your investment costs. By regularly investing $1,000, you buy more shares when prices dip and fewer when they're high, balancing out the average cost per share. This method takes the guesswork out of market timing and softens the blow of market swings, making your investment journey less of a roller coaster. Consistency is key in wealth building. A monthly investment of $1,000 is a disciplined way to grow your portfolio over time. It's about creating a habit that can lead to significant wealth, paving the way for major financial milestones like homeownership, education funding, or a comfortable retirement. Automating your investments can keep you on track without the temptation to spend elsewhere. Then there's the potential for higher returns. Savings accounts are safe, but their returns pale in comparison to the stock market's historical average of 7 to 10% annually. By channeling your $1,000 into a diverse stock portfolio, you're positioning yourself for growth that can outpace traditional savings, accelerating your journey to financial goals. Diversification is about not putting all your eggs in one basket. With your monthly investment, you can spread your funds across various sectors and regions, cushioning your portfolio against market turbulence and individual stock risks. This strategy not only preserves your wealth, but also contributes to more stable, long-term growth. In conclusion, investing $1,000 per month in the stock market is a smart and balanced approach to securing your financial future. It leverages compound interest, reduces risk with dollar cost averaging, builds wealth consistently, offers higher returns than savings, and ensures diversification for stability. Embrace this strategy with patience and a long-term view, and you'll be well on your way to financial freedom. Remember, in the world of investing, it's not just about starting, it's about staying the course.